So today's plan is a little bit different. I decided to spend the day with my brother-in-law, Nestor. Today we're gonna do a day in the life with him. He is going to explain a little bit more about what he does and what we're doing today. Nestor, want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Nestor. Basically what I do is I'm a TileMan, stone fabricator. What we do, we fabricate most of the times kitchen countertops, vanities, porcelain slabs, specialized in that. We do a lot of Korean, and we do everything, basically everything what we have to do with stone, all kind of stones.
How long you been doing this?
For over 20 years.
20 years.
Over 20 years.
So this man has a lot of experience in cutting everything. So today we're going to cut what specifically?
Porcelain slab, 10 feet by 6 feet slabs of porcelain, quarter of an inch thick. I mean, half an inch thick. That's a huge, guys.
It's pretty big. I haven't seen it, so I've never been to the shop before, so this is my first time. Woke up pretty early to see this. So, yeah, well, is anybody else gonna be there?
Wilmer's gonna be there, the guy who's with me, he's been with me for a while. The fabricator and the guy in the office.
Got it.
Which is will be 4 people there. The fabricator has been with me with over 20 years fabricating.
Okay. Was he the one that showed you?
That's the one of the minions that I have that I showed.
Okay.
That's one of the minions.
Okay.
So the other guy came to the shop, I would say 18 years.
Okay.
The guy in the office, which he's the one who's gonna be driving the forklift. He's the one who do the drawings, the sketch.
Got it.
So he's involved too.
Okay.
Wilmer is the guy on the field with me most of the time, installing and putting tiles and stuff.
Got it.
Kitchen countertops and all of that.
And so what you're gonna cut today, is it gonna be for a countertop, a wall, or a
This
floor?
is a fitness club on Manhattan, a private fitness club for a building
In New York
which is
City.
47th floor. It's a fitness club that we've been working there for the past months, and we try to. This is the finishing. This is basically most likely the finishing touches for that club. That's the real name. What we call into a table saw.
a table saw?
Wet saw.
Oh, it's a wet saw.
Wet saw, table saw, bridge saw is the right name.
And are you putting the measurements?
No, what we're going to do right now is we're going to move the table, adjust it to put on one of those big slabs right there. That's the ones we're gonna start, the big ones.
Oh, you cutting that? I thought you were cutting the little one.
No, that one is.
Okay. Okay, so he's adjusting the table because I was under the assumption that we were gonna cut the little one, but no, we're gonna cut that piece of slab, the big one in the back. Oh, look at this. What is a day in the life of a TileMan? So I hope you guys learn, because this is some serious work. Once you cut this, there's no going back, and you may or may not know, those things are expensive. So you can't mess up. doing another check-in here. What's the plan for today, Nestor?
Finish installing those slabs that we cut on our siding.
Yes.
Most of them is installed already. It's just a few pieces left to be done.
So we are gonna check out.
Say hello to Wilmer.
This is his colleague, Wilmer.
So once you come out, you're gonna see what's done and what's not done.
Yeah, so we're gonna check this out. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is awesome. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Jacqueline, nice to meet you. Good morning. Buenos días. Oh, this looks awesome. So, ¿eso es lo que pusieron ayer?
Sí, lo usamos el sábado.
Ajá. Oh, wow. Look at how they aligned it with the veins of the slab, so it doesn't look funny. So wait, you did the sauna as well. So you did this whole space?
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, check out the floor. This is the steam room. So we have the subway tile here. I like subway tile. I feel like it's such a classic. A lot of people don't like that style though. The ceiling has the same tile as the floor. Check out this floor. Then we have, I don't think he did anything there. All right, let's go to this side. This is the, what is this? Oh, the locker room. Okay. Oh, so this is like the female bathroom. Oh, it connects that way. Got it. Oh, it has the same setup. Okay. So this is still a work in progress here.
Has the same slab for windows, but different color.
Can you tell us a little bit about the tile? What color is this? Great, gotcha. The pool. Oh, so you did the tile on that as well? Oh, I recognize. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, this tile, I know this, I've seen it before. So what they're doing here, they're just renovating the gym. This is the female restroom. This is marble?
White Carrier.
White Courier marble. So this is still a work in progress. It's beautiful. Floor is done. Subway tile. Okay.
Just done.
All right. That's it. You did that too? Why is this this is gonna stay like that with the texture? Ah. Great. As you guys can see, it's still a work in progress. This is one of these job sites, so I can't wait to see it all come